Okay everyone, I promised some of your classmates I'd make another video on graphing quadratics, so here we go. So this is problem 11 from the worksheet I gave you a couple days ago, and I'm going to go straight to the point. The first thing you're going to remember to do is do negative b over 2a. Every single time you do that, guys, you're going to find what we call the vertex, the center of our parabola, okay? So if you look carefully, the negative 8 is my b, so I'm going to plug in negative 8, and if you notice, there is no number in front of x squared, so we know that is a being 1. So if I do negative b over 2a, you'll notice I'll end up with positive 8, because negative of negative 8 is positive 8 over 2, which is 4. Now when I make my table, I now know that 4 is going to be in the middle of my graph, and then again I'm just going to count in order up and down from 4, two numbers smaller, two numbers bigger than 4. Please keep the numbers in order. Notice how it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again with 4 in the middle. Now it's just a matter of plugging in the points. So I'm going to start out by plugging in 2. 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 20. And 2 squared is 4. 8 times 2 is 16. So I have a minus 16 plus 40. Let's see here. 4 minus 16 is negative 12. Plus 40 is going to be 28. Okay, interesting. That's a fairly large number, so we're not even going to be able to graph that one. Hopefully the other ones are a little bit smaller. Now, because I had a 28, guys, does everyone agree by symmetry 6 also must be 28? Okay, guys, I have to be honest, I was freaking out with that large number 28. I hope you notice my silly mistake over here. I don't know why I was doing plus 40 when really it was plus 20. So making the correction over here, guys, I know I had negative 12 plus 20, which of course is positive 8. So as you can see, guys, even I make mistakes. The key thing is when you make mistakes, you correct them. And likewise, 6 is going to be 8 because of symmetry. These two are going to match up. One's on the left, one's on the right. Okay, let's try 3. If I plug in 3, I get 3 squared minus 8 times 3 plus 20. 3 squared is 9. 8 times 3, 24. I got minus 24 plus 20. 9 minus 24 is negative 15 plus the 20 is 5 there. By symmetry, I know 5 must be 5 as well. Finally, all we need to do is the middle number 4, the vertex. So here we go. I have 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 20. 4 squared is 16 minus 8 times 4, 32 plus 20. 16 minus 32 is negative 16 plus 20 is 4. Now it's just a matter of graphing. So I have a point at 2, positive 8. Let me change the black there. I'll show up better. And I have a point at 3, 5. I have a point at 4, 4. 5, 5. And finally 6, 8. And if I connect my dots correctly, there is my beautiful little parabola, better known as a quadratic. Okay, guys, let's do one more graph, number 12 here, and we'll go a little bit faster, hopefully. So on this one, I want you to notice my b is negative 10, my a there is negative 1. Be careful with your negatives. So if I do the negative of b divided by 2 times a, negative 1, I'm going to get 10 over negative 2, negative 5. So now when I make my table, This time, notice negative 5 is in the middle. Again, just count up and down from negative 5. You want 2 numbers on each side of the vertex. And now it's just a matter of plugging in the numbers. So I'm going to start with negative 3. So, power first, guys. Negative 3 squared is 9. The negative makes it negative 9. Negative 10 times negative 3 is plus 30. And negative 9 and 30 is 21. And with the minus 23, 21 minus 23 is negative 2, correct? Using symmetry, I know negative 7 is also negative 2. Alright, now we're going to do negative 4 here. Negative of negative 4 squared minus 10 times negative 4 minus 23. Again, power first, 16. Negative 4 squared, 16. The negative makes it negative 16. I have right here negative times negative, positive 40. Together, negative 16 and 40 is 24, with the minus 23 is 1. Likewise, with symmetry, negative 6 is going to be 1 as well. All we have left is a vertex. Let's plug in our negative 5. So negative of negative 5 squared minus 10 times negative 5 minus 23. So negative 5 squared, guys, power first, 25. The negative makes it negative 25. We have right here negative 10 times negative 5, positive 50. 50 minus 25 is 25. Put in the negative 23. 25 minus 23 is 2. So now it's just a matter of graphing. Negative 3, negative 2. Negative 4, positive 1. Negative 5, positive 2. Negative 6, positive 1. And finally, negative 7, negative 2. Connect the dots. And there's my graph. So guys, please watch this video again. Pause it when necessary. Sorry for my little mistake there at the beginning. The important thing I want to point out though, guys, is notice this parabola on number 12, if you look at it, is opening down. Why? Because it's a negative x squared. Whereas the first one we graph, notice this parabola is opening up. Why? Because it's a positive x squared. Positive is up. Negative x squareds always open down. Till next time, bye.